Hungry for Little Caesars but want to use Cashapp? Let's see if that's even possible when ordering through the app. First things first, build your pizza masterpiece. Choose your crust, toppings, and anything else that makes your stomach rumble. Go ahead and add it to your order. Alright, head over to your cart. This is where you'll review your order and see the grand total. Make sure everything looks delicious and accurate. Now, the moment of truth, proceed to the checkout page. This is where you'll find all the accepted payment methods. Look closely for Cashapp or any options that suggest linking to a digital wallet. If you see options like Apple Pay or Google Pay, you might be in luck. These often let you link your Cashapp card. If you directly see Cashapp, awesome. If not, you may have to use alternative options. If Cashapp isn't directly listed, you'll need to use an alternative payment method. Keep an eye on future app updates. They may add Cashapp later. Enjoy your pizza.